Hey, so here I am. I'm out in the speed shop, and we're above the main garage door. Well, the shorter of the two garage doors, and I'm just finishing up wiring up the connectors, I guess, the circuitry for the exterior lighting. So you can see there's one little box right there, and right in here, I'm just finishing up wiring this box here. I'm just going to make the connections and the grounds appropriately. And then I've got one there above that man door, still left to finish. The others, over that man door there, and the two over that garage door are already wired in. I've completed those already. So it's not really that magical, not that complicated circuitry. It's, you know, the exterior lights I purchased come with a ground, a common, and a neutral, so I just run them through and hook them up to the ground, common, and the neutral, make sure the box is grounded as well, make sure this, one of my main ground wires are actually connected to the box. Why? Because you want that box grounded even though it's not connected. Wow. You want this box grounded even though it's not connected to anything, because in the future, if anything ever drops in here or anything and that's got a current in it and it's not grounded out, it could cause a problem, spark, fire, that kind of thing. One thing I did have to do above both that garage door and above this door and above the man doors is because the wood wasn't quite high enough for where I wanted to mount the lights. So I mounted these 2x6 header boards and I just screwed them in. I just screwed in, plate screwed in tightly with, I forget the name brand, but it's a good name brand screw there to hold them in. And these 2x6s provide structure so that the exterior lights can mount to the 2x6s and not have any wobble or anything like that. So I'll show you the lights here in a little bit, the exterior lights, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just getting this done, kind of prepping out. Still haven't had my power installed yet, even though I've passed inspection. Still waiting for the power company to get out here. This is kind of the end of the summer season, so they've got a lot of business going on. So hopefully they'll be here within the next couple of weeks and we'll have lights. Hey, so these are the exterior lights that I was talking about that I put up. I got them from Northern Tool. They are not sponsoring me. They're not giving me anything. I had to pay full price for them. But so I've got one out there at that door. I've got one over the man door and two over this garage, these garage doors. And then over on this garage door here, I've got two of them up there. They're steel. They are rated for rain, wind, snow. They mount with very strong mounting bracket. And yeah, my caulking is a little shitty about that, but I don't care. So that mounting bracket, hunk of steel, hunk of metal. The pipe is steel. You run everything through, and then those are pretty good screws that run into that 2x6 I was talking about. So they're solidly mounted, and they're not coming loose. And I really, really dig the look of them. So yeah, if you want them for your barn, these are the 12 inches. They cost about 95 bucks a piece. The 14 inches are like 150 bucks a piece. They're a lot more, or the 16 inches, I think. I'm happy with the 12 inches. And so that's what I've got up there. I'm really happy with my lights. Can't wait till we get power and can turn them on. So, okay, so interior lighting. I showed you the exterior. Now here's the interior. So I've got the pendants in. They're all in the center circuit. So there they are. And then up there, I've got one of the, they're not really fluorescents. They look like fluorescents. They're actually super bright LEDs that look like tubes. And the other one is above that door as well. There's gonna be quite a few more. I'm just tired. And so I figured I'd shoot this video real quick and show them off. So the pendants here, they're gonna be on the center circuit on that switch. And then these tube lights, that one, the one that goes there, and then there'll be 3 more here. They'll be on the south circuit, and then the other 6 will be on the north circuit. So, baby steps. Those lights, if you're curious, what the hell? If you're curious, I don't know what the hell just happened. My phone freaked. Anyway, if you're curious about those lights, those I got from Harbor Freight, and they're these Braun 1000 lumen 4-link shop light. They're regularly like $55, but if you pay attention, they go on super sale every once in a while, and you can snatch them up, and that's what I did. I snatched them up for $30. Quite a bit of savings when you got 12 of them. So 1000 lumens per fixture. I've got 12 of those, so I've got 12,000 lumens of lighting in here, not counting the pendants. So it's going to be plenty bright for working on cars and finding bit parts and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for watching.